Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I really say very thank you to you for everyone out there for growing my channel for the support you've given me so far. So today I'm going to be sharing a very powerful sniper entry strategy that you can use to catch spike on boom and crash. It's very simple and very concise, right? Very simple and easy to follow, right? But meanwhile, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. And remember to turn on the bell notification. And if you are yet to join my Telegram channel too, please do so as I do share setups and every other trading tips on a regular basis to it. So without wasting much of our time, all right, let's go straight to the strategy. So the strategy works perfectly on 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame. Since it's a scalping, it's a sniper entry scalping strategy. You understand? For growing a small account. So the first indicator we'll be using is what is going to be our RSI. So the period is going to be 13. Apply to close the style. The style is going to be 1 pixel, and let the color of the style be the color of your background of your chart, because we don't really need the RSI. The level is going to be 68, 63, 50, 32, and 37 level. So once you are done, click on done. Then after that, the next indicator we are going to be using is going to be our moving average. The period is going to be 2, shift is going to be 0, method is going to be simple, apply to what previous indicator data. Then the style can let the style be green also, and the pixel can be any pixel of your choice. Once you are done, you click on you click on done. Then the next one is going to be our moving average 7. The period is going to be 7, shift is going to be 0, method is simple, previous apply to previous indicator also. Then the star is going to be 2 pixel, the color should be should be red. Then you click on done. Once you are done, then after that, the next one is going to be our Bollinger Band. The period is going to be 34, deviation is going to be 1.619, shift is going to be 0, apply to apply to first indicator data. Then the style should be should be blue. The pixel can be any pixel of your choice. When you are done, you click on you click on done. Then the next one is going to be our moving average 34, shift is going to be 0, method is going to be simple, apply to first indicator data. Then the style is going to be 2 pixel also. Then the color should be yellow. Once you are done, you click on you click on done. So this is how the strategy works. This is how the strategy works, right? I said 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time. So what you need to do is that you need to wait for you need to wait for this green moving average. These are green moving average here, right, to be outside this volatility band, right, which is our blue. And then it has to be at this 32, 37 region. Remember, 32, 37 is always going to be our buy region. So anytime the price is outside, you place your you place your buy, right? You place your buy. You can go to depending on how sniper you want the entry to be, right? You can go to your 1 minute time frame. The same thing is applicable there. You can see on 1 minute time frame where the signal actually started. Though I posted it to my premium group, right? I posted it to my premium group. Look at it here. Look at this was the first. This was my first entry was here, right? My first entry was here, right? This was my first entry. This was my first entry here. You can see it above the 32 region, right? Everything is above around 8 level, right? Coupled with the fact that we did have a divergent there. So when you have a divergent, if you are good in spotting your divergent, it will really go a long way for you to filter the signal. Right? I should have closed here, but it's actually a long time trade. So that's why I'm still holding, right? I'm still holding. All you need to do is just for you to wait for to wait till you have your hold this green moving average at at our 32 level and 37 level, right? Now your time frame combination will determine how sniper this thing is going to be, and you still need to apply your normal price action. You still need to apply your normal price actions and your normal top down analysis. Very important, very important. If you don't know about top down analysis, you can actually chat me on WhatsApp. Let's see how we can help you and how we can manage things, and whatever we can share, or any trade price action trading tools that we can share. And if it's going to be the mentorship, whichever one you are okay with, just chat me up on WhatsApp. Let's talk better, right? I did share the strategy on my what we started not quite long, right? Not quite long. So you can see I did. So there was, look at the, okay, let's go again. Look at where I sent the signal. It was actually 11 watts. That was 10:23. That was when I was doing my markup, and then it was a sell limit. It was not even an immediate, it was a sell limit order, right? It was a sell limit order. So it all depends on you, and then we all enjoy the signal together. So it all depends on you, on how you can do your top down analysis, right? How you can do your top down analysis. Remember, you don't need to hold like this. Your trading plans and your rules should always be applied. For the effectiveness of this strategy, the first thing you need to put into consideration is your top down analysis. Top down analysis is very, very important with your price actions, and your time frame combination really matters a lot, right? So let me know in the comment section whichever question that you have. Just drop it on the comment sections, and anything you want me to be talking about, drop it in the comment section too. Please do well to subscribe and share the video together. The strategy is all about TDI. For those that know about it, is our TDI, how to use the TDI to catch spike in boom and crash. So guys, until the next time, just share up.